Hello everyone, today I am going to explain my Java program for System Time Monitor, which demonstrates the concept of multi-threading using runnable interface. In this program, a thread is created to continuously monitor and display the current system data and time once every 2 seconds, and it stops automatically after a given number prints. Let me say a few words about multi-threading. Multi-threading means executing a multiple parts of a program at the same time, each independent part is called a thread. In Java, there are uh, two ways to create a thread: by extending the thread class and by implementing the runnable interface. Here, I use the runnable interface. Here, a package experiment 8 created which organizes the program files. Here, an import statements imports data and scanner classes. Here, a runnable interfaces is created by using a implements keyword. And then we have to create a variable and a constructor. Here count is used. Here count is given. The number of times the type will be printed. The interval give the gap between each prints in a seconds. The constructor initializes these values. Here, the run method contains the work that thread performs. Here, the for loop is used to know the number of times it is printed. And here, thread sleep is used to pause a thread for the given seconds. Here, try catch is used to handle the exception if a thread is interrupted. After finishing all prints, it displays a message saying monitoring is stopped. Here, this main program controls the user input and thread creation. Takes two inputs, how many times it had to print, and the time gap between each print. Display a registration number before the inputs. Create here, thread T is used to create a new thread object and passes through the runnable task to it. T start is used to start the thread which executes the run method, and the sc close is the input scanner to be prevent resource leaks. Now let me run the program. When the program runs, it first prints the registration number and asks for the input. After entering the input, now let me enter for 4 5 times. Enter. Again, it asks for the interval. 2. The thread prints the current system date and time every 2 seconds with a count number. After completing, it prints monitor stopped after 5 prints.